A strong partnership lives from responsibility and trust. A trust based on reliability thrives from positive experience. With an awareness for the desires and needs of others, and an instinct for the right solutions. The Bilstein Group has been living these principles since 1844. We are a strong partner for our customers.
The Bilstein Group is the umbrella brand of the company Ferdinand Bilstein, under which are 3 different brands: Phoebe, Zwack and Blueprint. Our product ranges encompass a wide variety of automobile replacement parts.
Hardly anyone has as many products as we do, a convincing point for many customers.
The Bilstein Group stands for manufacturing competence. We are the most customer-oriented company in the independent aftermarket. We are active in 160 countries, often with local logistics. Logistics at our head office in Ennepetal ensures that goods are delivered quickly to our trade partners or their garage customers. In addition to central logistics, we've also positioned ourselves strongly in several countries with our own local logistics, so that we can always service our customers quickly. In Japan, South America, the USA, Africa, Europe, our parts can be found at leading wholesale distributors around the world. We ensure that the garage really does have all the necessary parts for the repair just in time. The company origins are in production. It's in our DNA, from where we defined our quality standards over a 175-year period. With engineering, we can be absolutely certain that our products meet the standards of Made in Germany, with a final quality that attests to this.
Precision is particularly important to the Bilstein Group, with advanced capability to reverse engineer parts for complete customer satisfaction.
There is always an original part. There is always the vehicle manufacturer who defines quality. If we were to offer customers a different quality, I'm sure they would notice that relatively quickly. The quality standard is a solution in line with a vehicle's market value, with an appropriate level of quality. A distributor principally wants to buy from a manufacturer, and that's what we are. As a manufacturing operation, we have high quality standards, the right people, draftsmen, developers and engineers that naturally also apply our quality standards to the parts that we purchase. Using first sample tests along with OE samples for comparison, we closely analyze parts ensuring they're aligned to the original, meaning the customer always receives optimum quality. You gain trust by giving trust and confidence. Someone has to take the initial step. We as a company clearly invest in advance in order to give our customers certainty. At trade partners or their garage customers, we are represented locally, with employees who can actively vouch for our brands and parts. Above all, assisting the garages with our technical expertise to install our parts correctly. We do a lot for our customers. We offer the best data quality in the independent aftermarket. The customers actually are our eyes and ears in the market. This means when a customer says these parts are important for us, and it's our task to think in terms of new products and product lines in order to serve the markets accordingly. I personally hope that we continue on the path we are on and adapt our company to the markets as successfully as we have in the past. The Bilstein Group is becoming more and more international. Over the past 10 years, this company has grown significantly with its 3 brands. On the one hand, of course, we see sales and marketing success, but above all, we see the establishment of structures when subsidiaries are founded, with people who believe in the same goal. To evolve, to develop, contributing ideas, burning with passion.
Customer satisfaction motivates me above all. It's the service concept of addressing what the customers need and what they want.
We always want to achieve more. We still have big goals, and that excites me. It keeps me interested and motivated to stay the course.